Hi guys, so it's been a while. I wanted to take a minute and show you how to do the wooden hearts. You see here, we have the two wooden hearts. And this is the way the transfers come. There are screens, you can't really tell that here. But when I get them, one of the things I do is use these cut lines and cut them apart. And then I label the back of them with a permanent magic marker. And I do that because I can put them right back on this backing sheet and keep them for the next time. This is the second time I'll be using these particular transfers. That's why they're already cut apart and already labeled. As you know, I am a middle school principal, and my school colors are orange and black. So I want to do something a little Valentine's-y for my office, or maybe a giveaway, who knows. So I'm just going to show you how simple it is. Now, I am not fuzzing these. Normally, if you have a black chalkboard, or if you have one of the other surfaces, you might want to use this to put the transfer on and just get it, just like you're taking lint off of something. You want to get a little bit of lint on there to keep it from sticking so hard and fast to other surfaces. But with this, you only have very little of the transfer actually touching the wooden heart. So I'm just trying to line it up as best as I can. Guys, there is no perfect way to do this, just eyeballing it and putting that on there as best you can. You see, I'm just trying to match up. You can see the lines barely around the outside. And I can tell you that you never know what you might get. So I'm going to use this orange paste here today. It's actually called Tangerine. And get a good firm. It won't be perfect, but that's what makes it beautiful and unique. And you see that a lot of people want to paint it like this. Don't do that. Hold that on like you're taking it off. I put it on. It kind of reminds me of wax on, wax off from the Karate Kid back in the day. So you really just want to get the product on there and then stand it straight up and take it back off. Get all the product off as best you can. You see how you can see just a thin layer is all it takes. And then I am putting it back into the tub to save as much as I can. And I'm going to put that over there. And then I'm just going to take this. Sometimes it's nice to have two hands. Put that down like that. And you see how beautiful that turns out. Now my school colors, like I said, my school colors are orange and black. I have just taken that transfer, and I have a tub of water down here, like you remember the old tubs that you used to get in the hospital years ago. But isn't that beautiful? I love it. That's going to be perfect in my office. I'm so excited. The next one, I am a polka dot fan. So you see here, I've already got this marked. And pull that off. I'm going to do some black and white polka dots. This is part of my 100-day project challenge. Friend of mine challenged me to 100 days of creating. I pick one thing I want to work on for 100 days. So I wanted to work on my chalking. Don't do that as much as I should. And I need to work on the stress relief that I get from this. Now, sometimes you get the chalk and it looks a little dry. You just add a little bit of water and use a stirring stick to stir it up. This is actually looks drier than It really is. Black is kind of crazy. You just want it to be about the consistency of yogurt. Like I said, this needs to be distilled water. You don't want it to end up molding on you. And just quickly, you see, black is a wonderfully messy color to work with in the paste, but that's probably in most things, paint, paste, whatever. I have plenty of these heart kits. If you're interested in getting one, you get the total page of transfers, you get the wooden hearts, and you get the paste colors of your choice. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And a little squeegee to go along with it. You see, here is the finished product. You can do the other side. So if I wanted to do some red on the other side, I might just do that for the holidays. But I am loving this black and orange, and I hope you do too. If you have any questions, you can look me up on my Facebook page, which is Chalk to Me Baby, and ask me any questions. Ask about some of the classes that we have going on. I'll be glad to do a virtual class with you, or we are doing small groups of 3 to 4, maybe 5. And it's just a lot of fun, guys. You see how fast I do this. It takes a little time. We get you through a couple practice steps before I actually put you on your project. But it's a lot of fun. I hope you will get in touch with me, and let's do a class for you and your friends.